Today, I'm bringing you guys some really big alpha. Now, last week we saw that Moonbirds launched, and it is currently sitting at a floor price of 20 ETH. Now, that one was a pre-mint raffle. If you didn't win, that sucks. I'm sorry, but if you didn't win, don't worry about it, because today I'm bringing you guys 3 projects that I think are going to be absolutely insane. I've never been so confident in calls that I've ever made. Of course, this isn't financial advice. I'm going to keep it low with the jokes and stuff today. Let's just hop right into this and not waste any of your time. Let's talk about these 3 projects. So, the first one I'm going to be talking about is the Bored Ape Yacht Club land, also called Otherside. Now, they released a trailer for it not too long ago. You guys can find that on YouTube. But I am incredibly bullish on this because anything Bored Ape Yacht Club obviously does well. Now, they've done really well at keeping it under wraps. We don't really know much about the collection size, the mint price, all of that stuff. But if all of that lines up and it looks pretty good, then it is pretty much a guaranteed winner. I mean, anything Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to do great. Now, if you guys are looking for some way to get into the Bored Ape ecosystem right now, one of the best ways that I would be looking at doing personally is the Bored Ape Kennel Club. Now, disclaimer, I'm not actually buying one of these just because I don't really have the liquid for it. But another way you can go about doing this is investing in the Ape coin. Now, it was just sitting at about $13 yesterday, and it's already up to $16. Obviously, it's going up leading up to this Bored Ape Yacht Club launch, which is going to be happening this month. Not a release date officially released yet, but we should be seeing that pop up anytime now. So, now guys, next onto the other one. I'm going to be talking about James Jean. So, this is an NFT project that is going to be coming up here in the next few days. There is a pre-mint link that I will leave down in the description below where you guys can enter and try to get a raffle for one of these whitelist spots. But basically, James Jean is an absolutely goated artist. And actually, this project right here, Elementals, was sitting at a 0.5 floor price, 0.5 ETH floor price, and it ran all the way up to 5 ETH with people trying to get whitelist spots for this project. So obviously, goated artists, lots of hype, tends to do really well in the NFT space. Now, we don't know much about the mint price yet, but you have to have at least 0.5 in your wallet to enter the raffle, so we can assume that it's going to be around 0.5 for the mint price. But guys, any project like this is pretty much just set up to do amazingly, especially when a project that has guaranteed whitelist spots for it runs up to 5 ETH with people trying to get these whitelist spots. So let's hop on to the next one. You guys probably know of Project PXN unless you live under a rock, which is unfortunate for you, but let me tell you guys about it. So obviously, this project has an insane amount of hype. They've got insane art. Their website looks just out of this world, something I've never seen before. Now, obviously, we don't know too much about like the release date and stuff like that, but it's pretty well known that if you have a whitelist spot for this project, you're going to be making money. Whether you're flipping or holding long term, this is another project that kind of reminds me of Hape, Invisible Friends, one of those giant projects like that. So if you guys can go ahead and get yourself a whitelist spot for this project, I definitely would try. Now, not too much is known about the Discord and stuff like that and getting in there. I personally do not have a whitelist spot for this project, which is unfortunate, but I'm still sharing this alpha with you guys because if you can get your hands on one, you're going to make money. Again, not financial advice, but definitely something you guys should be looking at. So, with that being said, like I said, I was just going to try to hammer out all of this info as fast as I could for you guys. That's pretty much all I have to say. Make sure you guys look into all of these projects because for me, I'm going to be trying my best to get onto each of them. I'm 90% sure you're going to be making money on this. This is urgent alpha, so definitely let me know what you guys think of these projects down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash the like button, and if you guys want to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another upload, and I will see you guys later. Let's go.